Oh, I think that's a fish. Nope, I was wrong. Oh. Yeah, this is the boat ramp. Not much of a ramp. I don't know why these Goombas told me to bring the actual boat, not just kayaks. I gotta leave my boat out there. Hopefully nobody touches it. Alright. Something in the shoe. My water! I was hoping you saw that, I just thought about it. Back out on the kayak. Fishing a new lake. Never fished out here. With a new GoPro. So that's cool. I don't know what to expect from this lake. About 2 rods. It's not very big. You can see the end over there. Out here with some buddies today. They got some kayaks. I'm gonna do a little throwing around. It looks like the water might be up. I've never fished here before, but I don't know if these trees are supposed to be all the way in the water. But let's get out of them. Oh my gosh, just bounced off that tree. That's funny. Oh, oh my gosh. I just got choked. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm either getting swamped or these trees are very aggressive. One of the two. Oh. 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 Okay.
Something's biting, nibbling it. Not taking it though. It might be too small. That's annoying. Oh. Maybe they're hitting it. Alright. I'm just gonna reel this one in. See if I can. I had a bass on. I'm gonna. Oh. Get him. Just nibbling it. Take it. It must be like bait fish or something. Do not know. Hopefully they're not eating it. Oh, they did. Ate 2 of its arms. Yikes. Got one. Wait. Yep. Oh. Come here. Got one. Oh, frick. Hold on. Ah! I can't get him in. Calm down. How am I supposed to do this? I've never fished in a kayak. Come here. Come here. Okay. Take some line out. Okay. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Alright, guys. It's actually a nice one. Not too bad for a first fish. Maybe £1.5. Maybe. Probably just pound. Even less. Let's get a picture. There you go. He hammered it at the end. I was getting bites, I just could not tell. They were big fish or little bait fish.
Oh, there was something. Just at the bottom of my worm again. Saw something else go after it. Oh, there it was. That was cool. I don't know if y'all can see the shadow. This little guy goes shooting out from behind that tree. Ah, calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Goomba. What up? Oh, oh, my pretzels! Get, get out of here! Oh my gosh! Ow! That's a pretty little fish. Little, but it is pretty. Let's get a pic. Send her back. Nice first fish. Not bad. Yeah, I definitely needed to switch to something smaller because there's no way that fish could have fit my 10.5 inch worm in its mouth. It wasn't even 10.5 inches. Snack break complete. Time to catch fish. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, something bit it. Gosh, I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, it's not a bass. Look. Huh. Oh, man. It's like another bowfin. Come on, net. This net sucks. This is not a kayak net. Okay. Oh, what to do with you, huh? So I caught one of these not long ago in the kayak, and I had no idea how to hold it, so I was too scared and I just popped the hook out and let him go. Not this time. I looked up how to hold these guys, but first, let's get that out of there. We're back. May or may not be in a tree, but we're back, and we're
Got one. Small, very small. Oh shoot. Right in the middle. And then I got him doubled. Okay. There you go, guys. Ooh, got one. Not too bad. Got one. I got another. They're so small, bro. Ooh, I got him, but oh, I got him on the eye. That's what you do. Trying to swim away.